Do you want your open tabs in Samsung Internet to look different? You can choose how Samsung Internet display your tabs. There are 3 different views: grid, list, and stack. Let me show you what each one does. First, open the Samsung Internet app. Tap the tabs icon. Then tap the more icon in the top right corner. Tap view as. Here you have 3 options. Grid, display your tabs as a grid of preview card. This is useful when you have several tabs open and want to see multiple previews at once. List, displays your tab vertically one after another. This can be useful if you prefer a simpler view and want to focus on the big titles. And stack, displays your tabs as a stack of cards. This gives you a more compact view while still showing the individual tab previews. For this example, let's choose grid. Then tap OK. And now open tabs are displayed in a grid. So if you prefer to see several tab previews at once, grid is a great option. And that's how to change the way Samsung Internet display your open tabs on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.